Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to send a message on Reddit. So let's get started. At first, navigate to the Reddit website, log into your Reddit account. In the top right corner, click here to access your messages. This will take you to your inbox where you can view and manage your conversations. Within your inbox, click on New Message button. Enter the username of the person you want to message. Reddit will provide suggestions based on the characters you type. In the message box, type your message. You can add formatting, links, and even includes emojis to make your message more expressive. When you are ready, click on the send button. Your message is now on its way to the recipient. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.